Hell yeah.
Put it in. That shit good.
This nigga done ate a fucking.
Put a little bit right on the tea bag. Right on the tea bag. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now swallow. Yeah.
Now just put some water in your mouth.
That shit's good, ain't it? That gets you soaking the tea
First
bag.
off, what's in your mouth?
A tea bag, boy.
We out
That's
here.
a southern dip.
We out here. Oh. Straight tea bag. Alright, now goddamn lip.
Whoa.
Goddamn, I think I'm getting a buzz off a goddamn tea bag.
Oh, that shit good.
That shit is good, ain't it? With the goddamn honey. Pure honey. If you get a tea bag with pure honey in it, that shit is good. This is what you do when you ain't got no running water. When you ain't got no running water to make tea, stick that shit in your lip.
They call itself a dip.
It's a Western dip.
You got some fucking tea.
Yeah, boy. Motherfucking Western tea, boy.
It's strong as shit at first. Just don't look. You gotta get rid of it. You gotta get used to that taste. But once you get used to that taste, you gotta get it. It's strong.
Mm-hmm.
It's strong. I actually like this shit. I'm gonna put some salt. Let's put that with some salt.
He's
Sugar.
He's about to do some salt or some sugar.
Do sugar.
Hey, snort some sugar.
Fuck that.
Look
Put some lemon in it and call that a fucking half and half.
at
fucked up,
the camera, though, motherfucker.
Now, put some sugar in your mouth.
This is
You
straight
cool
sugar.
it off.
Straight sugar, boy.
God
Damn.
That's sweet as fuck. Yeah, where you got some lemon juice? You got some lemon
Hey,
juice?
we about to make some dirty drinks with some lemon in our mouth.
Go ahead, try
Oh,
it. Go
man.
ahead, try it.
I'm not doing it. Fuck you. You can't.
I'll pick something next for you to put in. And it could be super nice.
Dirty drinks, boy. Do it, no. You didn't even do it.
Yeah, I did.
No, you did,
hot.
motherfucker. Hey, this is done going on your throat. What's that?
Ooh, horseradish. God damn.
Nope. Come on, Don.
Ooh, that's probably old.
Oh.
That's a burn.
Have fun, bitch. Don't put something in your mouth. Do it for the video.
For the fans, boy. For the fans.
That shit smells like ass. Not doing this for the fans.
Do it.
No.
Here, fuck you.
No, Rondé, no. I will not do that.
That much.
No, I'll eat straight butter.
No, I'll puke.
Come on.
I'll puke.
For the video.
For the video. For the video. One of us got to eat it. One of us.
Oh, you gotta eat it first.
Rock, paper, scissors. 2 out of 3 wins.
No, fuck that. I can't.
Come on. Yeah, keep it in. Keep it in.
I smell it.
Bitch.
Fuck yeah, I can't do it.
Do it for the views, baby.
Yo, here. Yo.
Huh?
Alright, so now whoever rock, paper, scissors, whoever wins doesn't take the drink I'm meant to make.
Oh,
No,
shit.
no, we no goddamn drink. Listen, Dallas, you gotta take a dip. I took a little ass dip.
He said take a dick.
Fucking get a goddamn drink on.
Yeah, whoever throws up first loses.
Dallas, here. Dallas, you gotta get it.
It's harder.
You gotta get it.
No.
You gotta get it. You do it. I did it. Just don't think about it. Just go for it. It's not gonna taste nothing for a second. Just go for it.
I yelled it.
Go for it. Go
Keep
for
it
it.
in. Keep it in.
For how long?
Just
At
10
least
seconds.
10 seconds.
I did 10 seconds.
At least 10 seconds. Come on. 5,
I get a cigarette.
4,
All right. Yep.
3, 2.
I'll give you
gotta move
3
around,
seconds.
You gotta move it around in your mouth. 2, 1, go. Move it around. Nope. Move it around.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Spit it out. Spit it out. Spit it out. Get it out. Get
out. Get it out, son. Get it out. Yeah.
Yo, put that other stuff back.
I'm filming his ass right now. He just threw up. He just threw up. I win. I win. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Yep. Hey,
If you
hey.
have made it this far, you know what happens.
Hey, I'm the champion out here. Let's go. Let's
So
go.
this guy right here just puked.
Yes, I did.
And you guys seen that on camera. I didn't see it. I'm gonna have to go back and rewatch it.
Oh, God.
But that's gonna be the end of this video, y'all.
Yeah, holy shit.
Peace.